Picture yourself in the 2022 Honda CR-V. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this stylish and up-for-anything CR-V. Its innovative design, premium feel, all-weather capability, and advanced safety and connectivity technology sets the standard for small SUVs and crossovers. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, heated front seat. Being adventurous never felt so refined. Treat yourself to a road test in the Honda CR-V and enjoy an exceptional driving experience.